Otu jet wit tet a home. Avi wit tet I a sign of godel temps personaligien, en I also essential for allovelis mil. If your tet are a wit a you like them to ba, there are something you can't try a home for a wit mil. Will none of the suggestion will work into somewhere a professional whitening service, they can help whiten your tet on cost you a fortune. Just remember to talk to your dentist before you try I home remedy to make sure they on damage your tet. If you want to know how to make some lifestyle change avela to try some home treatment for whitening your tet, just follow the steps. Fin appropriate whitening strip. Te should be approved by American Dental Association, ADA, en should contain chlorine dioxide, which can actually damage your enamel. Whitening strip should be made of polyethylene you can find them at your local drugstore or even a supermarket. There will be two strip, one for your low tet and one for your up tet. E will be line with a gelta will help to strip adder to your tet. Average cost of whitening strip I about $30. Brush and floss your tet thoroughly. T will help remove and I loop ta will prevent your tet from being whitened. And it will also help to maintain the ratio of whitening your tet for longer. Flossing your tet will remove plaque in between your tet and will ensure that the area is whitened well. Also be sure to jet your gum, to. Study instruction. A package of whitening gel is slightly different, so check out the instruction to see how to apply to strip, how long to leave them on, and how often they should be used. Most strips are used for about half or twice a day. Some have to be thrown out after they are used while others will simply dissolve in your mouth. Try to avoid swallowing while you are whitening your tet to avoid ingesting the whitening chemical. Apply the strip over your tet. Apply the strip firmly over your tet, running your finger over the strip to help the gel stick to your tet. Avoid moving your tongue to mush or you'll jet gel all over your mouth. Tio on be harmful, but it can feel a little unpleasant. Leave the strip on your tet for the given amount of time on instruction. Remove the strip. After the right amount of time passed, gently remove the strip from your tet and throw them out. If they dissolve, you can skip this step. Rinse your mouth. Rinse it thoroughly until you have removed the remaining gel from your mouth. Continue using the whitening strip for the amount of time they recommended in the instruction, and wait to set reçu. You can also brush your tet with a fluoride toothpaste after you finish the treatment. It will help to protect your tooth enamel. If you use the right strip correctly, you'll be able to maintain the reçu for up to 4 months. Use whitening gel. Fin en ADA approved gel to use on your tet and read instruction to understand the process of using a whitening gel. 10. Brush the gel onto your tet with a small brush, just as you normally would, for at least 2 minutes. 10. Spit out the remaining gel and rinse out your mouth until the gel is gone. Whitening gel don't use a strong bleaching agent, so sensitivity is unlikely. Continue using the whitening gel twice a day for 14 days, or for a long product recommended on instruction. You'll se reçu in just a few days. Use whitening toothpaste. Make sure the toothpaste ADA approved before you purchase it. ADA approved whitening toothpaste whiten your tet by gently removing a surface stain through polishing, chemical chelation, or the process no requirably. You can find many of the toothpaste over the counter. Use the toothpaste just as you would use an IoT toothpaste, brushing your tet for at least 2 minutes and then rinsing your mouth. Use hydrogen peroxide. Commercial whitening kit are cheap. For a cheap solution, you might like to consider whitening your tet at home using hydrogen peroxide for a similar effect. Purchase a bottle of hydrogen peroxide from your local drugstore. Hydrogen peroxide is commonly used to treat skin wounds, buty antiseptique properciar also go for oral hygiene. Hydrogène peroxide typically packaged in a brown bottle. Tobac packaging keeps light from altering the makeup of the solution. Buis à 3% solution, which is safe for oral use en can so it on cause sensitivity. Use a mixture of hydrogen peroxide and water à mouthwash. Use it daily before you brush your teeth to whiten your teeth naturally. Make sure to mix it in a 50-50 solution with water. Or you should do it. Pour à bout de tablespoon, 30 ml, of antiseptic into your mouth, and swish it around for a minute. Solution will begin to form, till you know it is working. Hydrogène peroxide combined with oral bacteria cause bubble to form in your mouth, but you will not taste good. Some people dislike the method because of the bad taste. Spit out the solution, and rinse your mouth with water. Brush your teeth as you normally would. Brush your teeth with hydrogen peroxide and baking soda paste on savaik. The mixture will help keep your teeth looking white and clean. Or you can make it. Pour 2 teaspoons, 10 ml, of hydrogène peroxide into 3 teaspoons, 15 ml, of baking soda. Mix to jeter until la paste forme. Play with the measurement until you find a consistency that you like. The paste should be similar in thickness to toothpaste. Add a tiny bit of mint toothpaste to your homemade paste to give it a fresh flavor. You can also add a drop of peppermint extract. Mix in a dash of salt. Salt will exfoliate your teeth as you brush. However, salty is abrasive, so don't use it too often or always use a soft toothbrush. Dollop the paste mixture onto your toothbrush. Brush the paste onto your teeth in small, circular motion. Once all teeth are covered, let the mixture sit on your teeth for 2 minutes. Rinse the solution of your teeth by swishing with water from the bathroom sink. Brush your teeth with toothpaste to rid your mouth of any remnants of hydrogen peroxide mixture. Wet your toothbrush and dip it into baking soda. All of the bristles should be covered with water so that your toothbrush bristles are wet. Brush your teeth for 2 minutes. Use a gentle pressure to brush your teeth. Spit if necessary. Spit out the baking soda. Rinse your mouth clean with water. You don't want baking soda in your mouth for a long period of time. Using mouthwash after can help to remove the bad taste of the baking soda if it is unbearable. Use the method on sort with avec for the best reçu. If you experience it tingling after using baking soda in your mouth, see your dentist. It may indicate tout de cas. Overusing the method can cause damage tout en a melt at your teeth. Talk to your dentist about often you should be trying it. Add l'immorlement juice to the baking soda. The involve adding the juice of a l'immorlement to the baking soda. Squeeze the juice from and almond or lime. Mix the fresh juice with a 4 cups of baking soda. Expect a little bubbling. Dab a dans coton wool balor corner of a clean face wash et clot into the mixture. Rub the mixture over the teeth, making sure to jet it into the gap en corner near your gum, en right down tout en off et tout. Also rub the back of the teeth. Leave for 1 minute then immediately brush off. Don't leave it too long as it is acidic and can wear away your prosuperior liquid. It can also have a negative impact on your tooth enamel. Use once clearly often. Over time, you should some whitening reçu. Avoir-vous d'un beverage taste in your teeth. Where possible, you may be able to prevent further staining by making some lifestyle change. This include stopping all smoking, and reducing your consumption of beverage containing tannin soda, coffee, red wine, and all contain tannin. In some cases, you can help keep tannin drink away from your teeth by drinking them with a straw. Don't drink hot liquid through gastro. Yet natural teeth helper. Some food can actually help you keep your teeth white. There are a few of them. Yet more apple, celery, and carrot. Teirolic a fruit en veggie toothbrush forte tête en tail pinkers the production of saliva in your mouth, removing plaque. A added bonus, cerig level of vitamin C help to kill of odor causing bacteria and strengthen your gum. Yet more strawberry. Te content a natural astringent, malic acid, which help to lift stain. To jet the most benefit. Consider rubbing alpha strawberry over your teeth or mashing the strawberry and applying it to your teeth. Leave for 1 minute, then rinse clear. Rinse with a glass of half lemon juice en half warm water on saveik. Tiwi lighten your teeth. Don't do it more on saveik tug, at lemon juice quand erode tête to. Yat more archeuse. It help to increase the saliva production in mouth. The ruby removing the bacteria taste tête en it also a good source of helpful mineral, such as calcium and zinc. Brush your teeth twice a day. While brushing and flossing on remove existing stain, good mouth hygiene essential to preventing more staining and to keeping your teeth in excellent shape. The first most useful thing you can do is to brush your teeth regularly, to remove plaque, piece of food and drink residue. Plaque will attack your teeth and gum if left in place en brushing, in conjunction with flossing, help to disturb ability to grow. Brush before or after breakfast and before going to bed. A minimum, many people also like to brush after lunch and even after snack, especially if they are sugary snack. Floss day. Floss it most effective way for you to remove plaque build-up from in between your teeth and ear gum. With plaque removed, your teeth will appear much cleaner and for bright. Floss at least once a day. A go time a night, after brushing and before going to bed. Experiment with different type of floss until you find one that work best for you. Some floss tip may be too rough, too slippery or too flavored for you. So keep looking for one you do like. Gargle with mouthwash. Mouthwash kill bacteria and can contain element aimed strengthening your teeth. Used along with brushing and flossing, mouthwash can help produce the bacteria, kill bad odor and keep your teeth healthy and clean. Some mouthwash also whiten teeth, considering those. A with floss, no all mouthwash are the same. Experiment with different type until you find a mouthwash you like and leave your teeth and gum feeling fresh. Also, remember to dilute the mouthwash with water if you feel discomfort or a slight burning sensation. Schedule regular dental appointment. Have your dentist clean your teeth professionally at your regularly scheduled appointment. Will help you maintain good dental hygiene, spot on cavity, and keep with healthy teeth. Remember to talk to your dentist before you try on teeth whitening product to make sure that it won't hurt your teeth. If you have very sensitive teeth and gum, or crown or some dental work that on react well with a whitening product, your dentist will know. Sur your teeth darkening usually best remedy by professional.